Hello and welcome. This is Waleed with you from VAUSNET, and today I am bringing you a new software from this website, filehorse.com. This is a software listing website, but today the software that we are about to experiment and try is TickTick for PC. The features that it has data backup, listing of folders, tags, location reminders, multiple reminders. But the thing is, it also has many other features like it doesn't allow you to forget your wish list, your task for today, for your daily tasks. Okay, it has come with Siri integration as well. It has a mini calendar because sometimes you tend to miss your very important task list as well. Plus, the thing that I actually like is anti-procrastination option that it has. Okay, we'll just go into without further delay in ado. Let's install it. And I've already downloaded it. You can download it from this website, filehorse.com/download dash TickTick. I am not actually sponsored or paid by Filehorse. I'm doing it complimentarily for filehorse.com. And I really thank them for that. So I'll just install it and I'll take you where I have downloaded the software. Okay. Okay. This is where I have installed, I have downloaded the software. I'll just double click it. It takes a couple of minutes and it authorizes your login through Google. It already exists. Would you like to install to that folder? Yes, just install it. And next, auto start. I'll deselect it. Next, install. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. No rocket science, not much intuition is required for this software. It's pretty straightforward and simple. And now that is getting installed. It's already installed. I need to register and sign up with my Google account, and that is Papa Gorilla. I mean, that's a very nice name for a Gmail account. Papa Gorilla. You can contact me at this email if you want to, but don't hack it, please. Yeah, don't hack it. Now, it's getting installed. It's signing up with TickTick. Welcome to TickTick. It should actually change the status this window, and it will change. If it is not, I'll have to continue with Google again. Sometimes you just face some kind of tricky snags with Gmail and this two-way authorization, the two-auth tokenization. Okay, now we're inside. Okay, now we are inside, and over here we have quite a lot of widgets, features, and let me just go into it because I'm also a new person. I will be like you, but thing is, okay, let's go into the welcome. Click the input box to create a task. Okay, input box. Now, where is the input box? We have the inbox here. Then we have a calendar. Okay, we can go into the calendar area and you can schedule your day, your weeks, and your meetings. Eisenhower matrix, prioritize your tasks. Okay, now this is a trial version. Basically, you might actually have to pay for that. And it is a little bit slow. It's syncing because of the internet speed over here. It's a little bit slow. I'll just move my face here. Okay. And I have a lot, if you have a lot to do every day using the Eisenhower matrix feature can help you to focus on important and urgent matrix. Okay, so I got an alert, rescue from procrastination. This is something I like quite a lot. Okay, and I can start with this. Sorry, this takes me the video. I want to start it. Okay, exercise, birthday, visualize your efforts. Okay, fine. If you want to pick up a habit and make it a habit, that takes about like 21 to 42 days. That's what I've heard. So you can pick up a habit and list it over here. Timeline view, visual management. Now, this is something, if you really master this, you can put it in your profile, in your CV that you know how to manage timelines with Kanban procedures. Sticky notes, very important. Okay. That was the welcome part. I guess welcome part is just theoretical. You just have to go over these things, how to subscribe to the calendar. You can actually integrate it with Google Outlook. This is something really neat, really neat. I mean, this TickTick is really good. TickTick is really good. Then we have a premium, 20 premium features and 10x the list and task capacity. Yes, okay. Premium will be like $15-20, but I am not sponsored by this software again. So work, no task, and priority work, inbox, attachment, add from inbox settings, and add section. What is a section? No, not section, anything. Okay, I mean, there was a way to, because today, section name can't be empty. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the calendar. Calendar view. I don't want to upgrade right now. Online class, water flowers. You can just premium only sample data for reference. Okay, I mean, you can only use calendar. You're a premium customer. That is not good, really. We free guys, we are coming from areas that really want to actually cling on and hang on to free stuff, right? So you should be taking care of us, not that you should be charging everything. One company have already done this, okay, and completed. I'm still getting the hang of it, right? So spare me and really, okay, now this is the Pomodoro, the anti-procrastination. If I want to start something, for example, I wanted to research about this error in SAP regarding material master and text categories, I can actually start, and that will give me the time frame. Okay, the time frame is basically for 25 minutes. That's how the matrix, the Pomodoro thing actually works and functions. You have to focus for like 25 minutes. I have to keep speaking for 25 minutes if I don't want myself to be labeled as a procrastinator. Okay, this actually helps you not to delay things. Okay, I can pause it and I can end it. I can continue it. I can add notes. Pomodoro is a good tool, which is a part of the TickTick installer software. So this tool basically is your go-to tool if you're running a small business and if you really want to manage your haywire schedules every day. And if you're worried that you want to cut down on your procrastination on your Netflix and surfing the internet just mindlessly, this thing is something that you can really count on. I really love this. I mean, this thing actually brought me here and pulled me into this. I'm ending it. The record cannot be saved because the focus duration is less than 5 minutes. Okay, fine. It actually gives you your previous record and your daily progress reports, status reports on how you've actually done with procrastination. So if you actually break this into or spread it onto like three tasks, three important four tasks, that is about like 2 hours. So it's 2 hours of focus work, and then the rest, of course, it's based on 2080 principle, 20-80-20 principle that 20% of your important work, if they are done, then the 80% of rest of the work can be taken care of. Okay, now the habit thing. Okay, I want to add some habit. So I can actually start jogging for like 25 minutes. Who can jog for that much? I don't really. Reminder, give me a reminder again at 2 o'clock. Achieve it all, reach a certain amount, 1 pound daily. Okay, when checking auto, manual. Okay, when checking manual. Okay, okay. Start date 25, goal days, 21 days, 30 days, 100 days. This is something that you can actually pick up and get a habit. If you really want to get onto a habit of reading or learning a language, this is something you should actually count on. Okay. And what do I want to search? I want to search for more tools. Memo. Can I add a memo? Add section. Memo, not section. Memo is grocery. Okay, in grocery, I can add more stuff. Okay, fine, fine. No title. Okay, buy buy secrets. No, that's not allowed. Not not here. Okay. Uh buy which is okay. Lollipops. So that's how you can actually add. I've already bought the veggies. I've already bought the lollipops. Okay, the next thing is wish list. Wish list again. Add section of wish list is learning a language. Go lang 36. Okay, so I will add something basics and uh, intermediary, and so on. I know you might be getting bored with this. Shopping, you can add sections and add shopping list over here. If you want to really study, add sections for your study programs and cut it down in segments, and then you can measure your achievements on everyday exercise, even exercises. If you're into calisthenics or running or jogging or Olympics that just happened recently, birthdays, you can also plan your birthdays. So this tool basically is a good planner stuff, good planner software for you. And the list that has been used is 8 by 9. So there's another one. You can also add tags over here. What is completed, you can also see what you've actually done for today and what you actually crashed. Okay, and you can also sync it with your Google data. This is something that you should be counting on as a business tool. I really like that. If you can integrate, I mean, I wish this thing actually came up with a CRM integration. It would have been great. So this was the software. TickTick. TickTick is a good planner software for you, for business planner software. If you are running a small business, this thing can actually help you out to maintain your wish list for your shopping, for your daily plans, meeting, task lists, calendars, and everything. So count on that. Install this, get this software today, and get it running because I really needed something because I was actually maintaining something on Excel every day, and that was really daunting. I can actually maintain it over here, and I can grade myself whether I did whatever I've achieved and did today and performed, whether it was worth mentioning or not, or whether I have to push a little bit more the next day. So this is Walid. I hope you like this video. Do get this software. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and do subscribe with my channel. Even if you don't, we don't really care. We'll keep posting the content. That's it from now, for now from my side. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.